Hello, and welcome to Learning with Sarah. I'm Sarah, and today we'll talk about something simple but powerful, how small actions can lead to big changes. Even the tiniest step can start something great. At the end, I'll explain some useful English words from the episode, so stay tuned. Let's get started. We often think that big results need big actions, but that's not always true. Many great things in life begin with something small. A kind word, a small habit, or a short daily action can grow into something powerful over time. Let's think about learning a language. If you study just 10 minutes a day, you might feel it's not enough. But after 1 week, then 1 month, then 1 year, you'll be surprised at your progress. The secret is not how long you study in one day, but how often you do it. This is the power of small, repeated actions. Helping others is also a great example. A simple smile, holding the door, or saying, "You're doing great," can brighten someone's day. These actions may feel small to you, but they can mean a lot to the other person. When many people do small, kind things, the world becomes a kinder place. Small actions also help us build strong habits. Want to be healthier? Start with 1 glass of water in the morning. Want to read more? Read just 1 page a day. These actions are easy, but they teach your mind to keep going. Over time, these habits become part of your life. Sometimes we wait for the perfect moment to do something big, but perfect moments rarely come. It's better to take a small step now than wait and do nothing. That small step gives you energy, builds confidence, and leads to the next step. Even in relationships, small actions matter. Saying, "Thank you," "I'm proud of you," or "I'm here for you" can build trust and love. These words are short, but their effect is deep. Small talks, little notes, or simple messages show people that you care. Nature also gives us examples. A tree grows from a small seed. A strong river begins with a drop of water. These small things over time become powerful. Your actions are just the same. So today, ask yourself, what small action can I take? What small step can I start today that might help me grow tomorrow? Now let's take a moment to look at some of the useful words from today's episode. The first word is action. It means something you do. Example, brushing your teeth is a daily action. The next word is habit. A habit is something you do often, like a routine. Example, reading before bed is a good habit. The following word is kind. It means nice or caring. Example, she was kind to help her friend. Another word is grow. This means to become bigger or better. Example, the plant will grow if you give it water. And the last word is confidence. It means believing in yourself. Example, small steps give you confidence to keep going. Try to use these words in your day. You can say them, write them, or make simple sentences. Practice is the key. Thank you so much for joining me today on Learning with Sarah. If this helped you, share it with a friend. Keep learning, take small steps, and remember, even small actions can make a big difference. See you next time.